Chapter 5, Coins Rolling Like Planets. Amal loved collecting coins. Every day, he saved a little from his pocket money and polished the coins until they shone like tiny suns. On the cool floor of his room, he carefully arranged them in circles, just like the solar system he had seen in his science book. In the middle was a big coin, the sun. Around it, smaller coins became planets: Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Amal lay on his stomach, watching proudly, as if he were a young scientist creating his own universe. But one quiet morning, something strange happened. The coins began to tremble. At first, Amal thought it was his imagination. Then, slowly, one coin rolled. Another followed. Soon, all the coins were moving, spinning, sliding, and circling each other. They clinked and clattered, racing across the floor like tiny metal cars in a wild competition. "Stop!" Amal whispered, his heart beating fast. Just then, Father stepped into the room. Before Amal could warn him, Father slipped on a rolling coin and nearly fell. "Ouch!" he cried. "Amal, this is dangerous. No more coins in the house." Amal quickly gathered the coins into his hands. They were warm, as if they had been alive. "But Appa," Amal said softly, confused and worried, "they moved on their own." Father shook his head and walked away, not listening. Amal sat quietly on the floor, staring at his closed fist. No one believed him, but deep inside, he knew something mysterious had begun.